Ferris, best movie ever made, George. I don't know if you know that about me, but I love this movie. So he's coming up with ways to fake out the school to take off more time.
So I better make this one count.
Yeah, he's trying to lie to his parents and lie to the school that he's sick. Here he goes. Clammy hands.
It's a good non-specific
Right.
symptom. I'm a big believer in it.
You lick your palms, George. That's how you get the clammy hands, according to Ferris. No, you can't do the phony fever. You got to go with the stomach illness.
That's worse than school.
Yeah, he's going to tell you to do a stomach cramp. There it is.
And when you're bent over,
Yeah.
moaning and wailing,
You lick your palms.
you lick your palms.
Yes, you do,
It's
Ferris.
a little childish and stupid.
Yeah.
But then so is high school.
Yeah, high school's childish.
Life moves pretty
Life
fast.
moves pretty fast. You don't stop,
If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
you can miss it. Yep.